you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. My name is Gleniette. Friends and family call me Glenie, but on social media I'm known as Gleens. Wait, disclaimer, I know you are coming for me. I live in the Netherlands, and yes you guys, it is legal here to buy some weed and to smoke some weed. So don't come for me, keep on watching. I'm very happy to announce that we are almost reaching 30k, you guys. I'm so excited! I'm so excited! I'm so excited, you guys. And yes, we are going to do a giveaway at 30k. So you guys, don't forget to share this video, like it, subscribe, you know, all the good stuff. As you can read from the title, in this video I'm going to create a weed inspired nail set. So I really hope you like it. Keep on watching. So as you already know, I'm going to use some weed for this set. I've used about a half of a gram and I've crushed it into little pieces before application. So first I'm applying a thin coat of clear acrylic on all the nails except for the pinky. The pinky I'm going to cover the whole nail with clear acrylic. Now I'm using the tones Cover Pink to cover the nail bed from the ring finger, the middle finger and the thumb. Then I'm going to apply just some random pieces of the weed when the acrylic is still wet. And if you are wondering, no you guys, I don't smoke. Next, I'm using this color from Tones. I'm covering the whole nail with this color, and after that I'm encapsulating the nail with clear acrylic. Now that the acrylic have dried on the wheat nails, I'm encapsulating the whole nail with with clear acrylic. Oh my god, I just can't pronounce things anymore. And this is how the nails look so far. And next I'm filing the nails using my medium grit bit. Okay you guys, so now I'm using my hand file to perfect the shape. And this is how the nails look after filing and shaping. And I'm going to apply some Swarovski crystals on the index finger using the gel bottle rubber, clear rubber gel. Yes, clear rubber gel. If I can find a link of the things that I've used, I will put it in the description box below. If you have applied too much gel, you can just wipe it off with your finger, and after that you can cure it under your lamp so you won't have any bumps after when you're going to apply your top coat. Okay, so next I'm using this green transfer foil from the kit from Cakes Ink Nails. To apply that, I'm using the foil gel. I'm applying one coat of the foil gel, and after that I'm curing it under the lamp before applying the foil. So when the nail comes out of the lamp, you're going to press the foil into the gel. Make sure you press it properly, otherwise you will be left with spots that didn't catch the foil. Next, I'm using again the clear rubber gel from the gel bottle to encapsulate this nail and to apply some more crystals. Next, you can go ahead and cure this nail under your lamp so the crystals won't move. On the wheat nails, I'm going to apply the Cakes Ink Nails top coat. I'm also going to apply a little bit underneath because it's clear. And on the index finger, I'm going to use the gel bottle matte top coat. I've cured the nails under my lamp and I've applied some cuticle oil, and you guys, this is the final result. Even though I don't smoke, I really love these nails. I'm so in love with them. I hope you like them too, you guys. Let me know in the comments what you think of these nails. So yeah, you guys, this is the end of the video. It sucks, I know. But I know that I will see you on Sunday. I know that you have subscribed to this channel, and I know that you've liked this video, and I also know that you have turned on the notification bell. I just know. So yeah, you guys, don't forget to share this video with your family and friends, because we are going to do a giveaway when we reach our 30k, you guys. I'm so excited. But don't forget to share this with everyone so they can also subscribe so we can reach a 30k. So I will be doing my giveaway. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.